Hi friends, I'm going to find my age using Google Sheets. Okay, you can see the A1, A1 is birthday, B1 is birthday, B2 is a today date. Okay, so I have format these cells. Go to the format and go to the numbers. Then you can see custom date and type. Okay, I use this format years, month, and date. Whatever format you can find here and you can use it. Okay, this also year, month, and days. Okay, now I am going to apply the equations. Can you see there is the age years? I want to use my age, how many years. Okay, I go here. I already added the formula. You can use DATEDIF, then bracket, and B1 is the starting date, B2 is the today date, and Y is the years. Okay, you can see here DATEDIF, start date, end date, and unit. You can use a Y as a unit to find the years. Okay, also you can use the instead of cell address equation today. Okay, then I am going to find the month. I use the DATEDIF. I use the DATEDIF and starting date and ending date. Starting date mean birthday, ending date is a today, and YM, how many months remain in the years. Okay, YM. If you want to, instead of cell address, you can use the today. That case you don't want to put the cell address. Okay, okay, then I am going to find the how many months, how many dates. Okay, I use the B1 is the birthday, B2 is the today date. If you want to, instead of shell address, you can use it today. Okay friends, finally I use the combination of functions to show my age like this. I use DATEDIF and B1, B1, B1. For the years, I use the year Y. I use the YM for months, and I use the MD for the days. You can find these functions in descriptions. If you have any questions, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next video.